I welcome you to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create an irregular landforms in Revit. At the end of this video, you should be able to learn to create something like this, where you have a hill beside your building, or you have a gully beside your building. You should be able to indicate it in your Revit 3D. Without wasting your time, let's get started. Okay, so what I will do is I will go to massing and site and click on turbo surface. Then I will do it on the site. I have different plan here, but don't do it on level 1 or any of this level. Rather, you do it on site. And the reason is, if you are on this level, there are certain things that will not be viewed if it is above the view plane. So you need to be on site. It is on site that you can see everything. So I'm going to be on site, and when I am on site, I will locate this place point, and I'm going to place the point around my building. I'll place the point there, just 4 points first. It doesn't have to be perfect. All right, then I am going to be adding more points, and if you look at all these points, they are on 0. All of them are on 0 at the moment. You can see all of them are on 0. All right, so I want to set these ones higher. Let's say I can make them 5,000, or let me make them 3,800. Now if I do that, I go to 3D now. Can you see that area has been raised up? You can see that area has been raised up. Okay, so I'll go back. Then I am going to add more points. I pick point, and I will set the elevation of this one to be something like 3,600. And when you are placing your point, it is advisable to be a little bit outside. Instead of going inside, you go outside a little bit. It creates a better shape. Now let's see what we have in 3D. You can see here is getting flatter. Okay, then I still go back to the site. Maybe I add more points. This point will still be at 3,600. Okay, then I can add a few other points. Let's say 3,000. You can vary it. Doesn't have to be. Okay, so I want this side to come down a little bit. So this point can be, let's say, 1,000. I want that side to come down, and I also want this one to come down. like 1000. I want this side to come down 2000. Okay, let's see what we have in 3D. You can see it's beginning to form something like a hill. Can you see that? Okay, now I want to bring this place down so that my building will not be buried. Okay, so I'll go to site again and I add more points. This is where my building is, so all this place is going to come down. So I'm going to let the elevation be 0. Let this point be 0, and I place another one here, and let's see what we have. Okay, you can see we have something like a hill. I can actually drag this one here. Okay, then I can raise this place up a little bit. I go to site, I pick point, place point. The elevation can be 2700, and I place it here. I place another one there. Okay, it's forming a hill. Can you see that? Then I can decide to raise this place up. Let's say I make it 5000 and place it there. Okay, then let's see what we have there. This is it. Okay, I can add another. Let's say I add another point, and this time around I'll make it something like 4500, and I place it here. Okay, so that is how you can form different landforms in Revit, and I can finish it. Then I pick it, and the material, I will change the material to something like grass, and I make the material grass lawn. Okay, this is the material I've created before. I click OK, and here we go. So that is materials. Now let's look at it in 3D. Okay, you can see that. So I want to bring this place I have my building down. I want to bring it down, so I go to edit and go to site and place a few points there, and the point will be minus 300. So I place those ones around the building so that the points will be, I don't want grasses to show through my pavement. So I finish it. Let's look at it in 3D. Yeah, that is it. That is it here. So during rendering, you see that all this place will be grasses. And that is that. And if you benefited something from this video, make sure you give me a video testimonial. I will appreciate that. All right, thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video. Bye.